me.
What's up, guys? Today we're doing another YouTube video, and yeah,
they messed up the intro.
Yeah.
What the hell?
it's fine.
One of the hosts. Right.
No,
so
Yes, he's so this guy. Wait, what's your YouTube channel name?
Bandit
My name
1VR.
So go subscribe to Bandit 1VR and me.
Can you show me? No. Okay.
Wait, what's yours?
BC1.VR.
And also go subscribe to BC1VR.
Yeah. Okay. All right.
All right. Any more shout outs?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
All right.
Me.
So you
I say.
will delete an item. You know, monkey on the shelf. All right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Does everybody here know what monkey on the shelf
We
is?
gotta get on the shelf.
We have to get on the shelf. I will be competing.
All right. So
Wait,
what are
can
you
shout
deleting?
out to me? Okay, by the way. Just delete.
Fine, I'll shout out like everybody here. Go subscribe to all back
All right. Watch out. Watch out.
So yeah.
Hey, yo,
Are
Blue,
we
you
supposed to
touched
go
it.
yet or no? No.
Yes, go.
Are we supposed to go yet?
Go. Yes, go.
Yes.
And see everyone else.
All right. We made it. We made it.
You guys are cheating.
What? You delete. Yeah.
Yes, you guys are touching the floor. When you touch the floor.
Wait,
Don't touch me.
Yo, what's going on over there? How did you touch the ground? Hey, don't tag me. I didn't touch the ground.
When you touch
Made a
me.
move,
Can we walk
made a
now?
move.
Can we walk now? No, guys.
Yes, you can. You can. You can.
The ground. Okay.
Yes, you can. You can.
Guys, when you touch the mirror, you can run back and touch the ground. That's how it works.
Yes.
So you're safe.
Yeah, nutty.
Yeah.
Where are you?
All right. What are you deleting this time?
Boy did. He didn't listen. He left. We're
What?
not listening.
Where are you deleting this one?
Yeah. What are you deleting? What are you deleting?
Are we going?
What are you? That? He already deleted that. He already deleted that. You can delete anything else.
Who's that?
Yeah, you.
This?
I'm gonna go. So.
That?
You want that? All right.
Wait,
I bet.
I already went.
I
see you with the
movies.
Movies.
Ah!
See you when you look.
Did you even go yet, bro? Go.
Move.
Go.
Move.
I already went.
Move. You're gonna.
There's no way. Well, I already went.
Oh crap! I almost fell. No, white.
Come on, Mick.
I made it.
I'm about to beat it up.
Wait, does this count as the ground?
No, it
No.
doesn't. Are you stupid?
Oh no!
This
I'm kidding. You guys saw me make it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys saw me make it.
Yeah.
This does not count. Yeah.
Don't tag me. What are you doing?
Helicopter. Don't tag me. I already made it.
Like, what's up, danger? Helicopter.
Oh no! Red. Red.
I didn't touch the
See
ground.
you with the
All right. So what are you guys deleting this time?
Alright.
I'll delete your balls.
Wait, hold on.
You made it.
Your
Dang.
All right. So what are you guys deleting this time?
What are you deleting?
We're deleting.
You can't delete this.
Question. What are you deleting?
Yeah, you can't delete.
What are you deleting? Shut up.
here.
What are you deleting?
You can't delete him.
You.
What are you deleting?
Delete people.
You deleting the floor? You can't. The floor's already deleted. Here, you scuba diver. Scuba diver. Delete something. You delete something.
Wait, what is happening right now?
Delete something.
Me?
Yes, you.
That's you.
Oh, that?
No. Alright, that's easy.
Oh, they already deleted the wall.
I see
They
you.
deleted the wall.
Which took my face. Toe shot.
Which
I
one?
see you with the moon.
They deleted that one.
That one. You know which one.
So this one is good.
No, it's bad.
Oh.
Watch this.
Sorry, Megan.
Don't tag me.
Don't tag us. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Once you come out, I'm going
Hey,
to.
Sam.
No way.
Yeah.
First one to make it.
No, you're not. We all went already.
All right.
Don't
I-
tag me.
Who wants to delete it?
That-
If everybody else is the last,
This
don't
counts.
tag the last person.
This counts.
Don't tag the last person. No, but don't
Alright.
tag me.
Okay, watch out.
Already
This
did
counts.
it.
This counts.
All right. So. Oh, he did it. He did it. You did it.
Oh, you almost tagged me.
All right. So I
What are you doing?
I'll delete an item this time. I'm deleting.
Alright, what are we gonna delete?
Delete one wall. I could delete one of the walls. That's it.
What's he deleting?
Just one.
I'm deleting this thing. Wait, no, hold on.
No.
I'm deleting.
You only could delete one wall. That's it.
I know, not that one. I'm deleting this.
This. Even easy.
Oh, wait, hold on. Hold on.
Wait, no,
Wait,
that-
he's deleting what? Hold on. You. Yeah, what are you deleting?
Oh, me.
Oh, Bud.
Oh, him?
Liam Couch. He deleted
Red
the
rage. Red rage.
couch. He deleted the
Rage.
couch.
Hey, you.
Move.
You.
Move.
You.
Guys, watch out.
Delete
Move.
that. I'm kidding. They already going. We'll delete that next round.
Move.
I got stuck.
Get
I
down.
got stuck so bad.
Get him. Wait, can I delete something? I wanna delete something.
Yes,
Go
you.
ahead.
You. Don't. No. Don't delete that.
No.
Don't delete that. Delete that.
We're never gonna get.
Oh.
We're never gonna.
I'm deleting this. I'm deleting this.
Yeah.
Bet. Run it. That?
No. What do you do?
I swear I'll do that right now.
He deleted this. Get him.
Oh, what?
I did it.
He won.
Correct.
Maybe. Maybe.
No.
He touched the ground.
Wait, did he?
He touched the ground. You touched the ground.
I get another shout out.
You won. You get another shout out. We're shouting at you again. Remember your name?
Wait, no. It can't be that short.
No.
I feel like that was
Okay,
too
anyone,
short.
anybody
It's what?
wanna go do a video with me? Like a YouTube video?
Remember, guys. Shout out to beastie.vr.
Wait, no. Wait,
All right. So new round.
What you
You
delete?
are the judge. You can delete the first item once I get up there, or once everybody gets up here.
anybody want to do a YouTube video with me?
No.
This is a YouTube video. You're in it, and you can start. Okay. All right. Delete
What are
it.
you deleting, buddy? Sorry, I came out of B grade.
Bro,
Pick one. Pick a choice.
Pick something.
pick something.
I'm gonna go.
Oh, that.
That?
That's it.
All right.
Bet.
Easy.
What?
Why'd you tag him?
Wait.
What? What happened? What the heck are you doing, Red? The hell?
Shoot.
Oh, I almost touched the ground. I almost touched the
Oh, I
ground.
did it. I'm doing
I made it. I made it. Can I walk back?
No, you have to touch the mirror.
it back.
No.
You know you could do.
I did. I did touch the mirror.
We know you did. Calm down. Okay, what did you delete? You.
No, don't tag him. He's
You
safe.
delete.
He's safe.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm safe.
I didn't touch the ground.
Get off. He did.
No, he didn't. Oh, he did, but he touched the mirror. He touched the mirror.
Got it. I'm good.
He touched
All
the
right, so what are you
mirror.
guys deleting this time?
Let's go. I see. He deleted that.
Oh, it's easy.
Dude, it's literally the same thing as last time.
So easy, bro.
No, it isn't. He did. Oh yeah. He did.
Really easy. Yes, it is.
Wait, what did you delete?
Move, 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 move.
This. He deleted this.
Yo, move. Can you get down? Thank you.
Here. I have a route for you. Let's go. You better do it. Come on.
I suck at wall running though.
Yeah,
Easy.
I kind of do too.
I can do it.
All right, what are you guys deleting this time?
You could just go. That
What are you deleting this time, man?
Oh,
No, he never went. He never
Who
went.
did?
even touching.
No, he hasn't gone yet.
All right, then go, 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 go,
Hold on. Is that deleted?
No.
go. No. Come on. Yes.
Oh, he's cracked.
What did he delete? What did he not?
No, because he.
That was him. That was him. That was him.
You sorry.
He was on accident. Shot me and used right
No,
here.
it is okay.
Right
It is
here.
okay. It's
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Hey, Black. No one's gonna tag you next round.
Can I delete something? Okay.
Delete it. Wait, where'd Blue go?
No, he's gone. Alright, go.
I didn't mean to. I tried to dodge it. I tried to dodge it. Just restart. Just restart. Yeah, I accidentally tagged him. You can't. You have to stay right here.
Oh, dang it. What's that to be moved?
Get down, bro.
Is
Get down.
All right. The first item I'm is
please delete it.
this wall.
Oh, choose. That one.
That one?
This
Okay.
one.
That one. All right.
I'ma do it first try. I promise. I'ma do it.
Wait, did he touch? Did you touch?
No.
All right, bet.
Wait. No, I didn't. No, you are deleting the couch next.
Steal the way.
You're gonna delete the couch next.
Boom.
Stop.
I touched the mirror.
All right, go back. Go back to the shelf. Go back to the shelf.
Nobody died yet. That's surprising. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, it's surprising.
I'm deleting this.
Okay.
The McChickens.
Shark, you take the same route each time.
Yeah, I know.
Okay,
Cause it's my route. I invented it.
You didn't. Wait, hold on.
Wait.
What did you delete again?
Red, you're good.
He deleted that. He deleted this.
You-
Oh, he died.
You deleted that.
You good?
Okay, you're good.
Good man.
All right. He's the only one that got eliminated.
Was all of this stuff you deleted again?
Good man.
We're deleting.
This?
Wait, can we delete this this wall?
Yeah.
No.
All right.
No.
Can we?
You can make that. That's possible. You can actually make.
All right.
No, it's not.
Gone. Oh, you're out.
Anna,
Are you out?
can we
Oh,
start
I'm
the
sorry.
round? Yeah. Wait, hold on. Is that out the
This entire wall.
glasses thing?
No.
Can't make it.
Glasses thing?
No, it's not. It's safe. But this wall is deleted. All right.
Deleted.
Oh no! White. No.
Hey, you.
You touched right
Stop
there.
going over there. Here.
I'm sorry. Hey, GG's.
There's one over there.
Wait, what do I do?
All right. Now,
You said space out. You
um,
said space out.
White, I'll let you. Wait, no.
Oh.
Who was the first
See,
person I
you
tagged?
showed you how to do it.
Who did I first tag? Did I you?
Him.
All right, delete something.
Now them boys.
What do you want to delete?
Sorry.
What are you deleting? Oh, you're deleting that.
Oh, this? Ooh, that's gonna be hard. What do you mean it's so easy? Well, for me it would be hard.
We're just gonna keep going.
Now them boys.
Because I'm the second best girl half player ever do this.
All right, White,
wants first?
go. White, go. I will tag you in 10, 9.
I think he's second.
Oh, he almost touched. He didn't touch though.
No, I saw his
And
butt. His
oh,
butt.
he's good. He's good. You're good. You're good.
But here's the
Good.
You're good.
You
Go.
can
his booty cheese.
All
Hey,
right.
good job, right? Good job.
Left butt.
And who was the second person I tagged?
Him.
You?
No.
No, it wasn't.
I was.
You? All right,
It was him.
pick something.
Yeah, it was him.
That. All right.
I tried.
This? That?
Hey guys. Lava
stand
monkey
on it so
meeting.
nobody
Lava
tries
monkey
to
meeting. Come here. Come here. Lava monkey meeting.
Guys, I lost. I got tagged.
Guys, come here. You did?
I fell.
No. All right, Red, you won.
Let's go. What?
White. Go for white.
Oh wait, no, White's still there.
Yeah,
White, go.
Why don't tag him?
You got this. I mean, you
So
got
the
this.
last monkey do not tag the last monkey. Guys, do not tag the last monkey. Do
Watch
not
out, hold
tag
on, hold on.
the last monkey could still go.
Let me see
Not
if
tag
this
the
is
last
possible.
monkey.
Is it?
You know what you could just do? You could have just done this.
Not with normal monkeys. No.
Come on, White.
No,
You
you
got
did
this. You got this, White.
Or
Go
hold
on.
up, I have an idea. If you went right here,
Do not touch
this.
Do not tag the last
this.
monkey. Do not tag both. Stop.
No, this
it.
is out.
Cause I'm
This
in the
is
next
out.
round. Let me.
Why you got it?
That's out. This is
You got it, White.
Do not
Here.
tag the last monkey. Do not
We
tag
know,
the last
you
monkey.
White, give me a high five.
Got it, White?
Give me a high five.
No.
It doesn't actually
Wait,
tag
this
you.
is- Or you covering start. Oh yeah, that's pretty easy.
Come on, White. You got this.
Got
You
this,
got
this,
this. It's the
got this,
turbulence for you.
got this.
Oh, that whole wall is deleted. We didn't delete that though. We didn't delete that.
Wait.
He's safe right there.
what he's gonna do now.
You cannot touch. Well, you can touch this wall with like your arm.
Watch out. Go.
All right. Yes, go, White. Let's go.
Oh, I accidentally tagged him.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you?
Leave this server. Leave the server.
Oh no.
Back up.
White. You're still in this. We're letting you compete.
We're friends.
We're just not counting you as out. White. Yep. Stay right there. Guys, White's doing it. He's still in. He's still in.
Okay.
But if you
Let's go, White.
It's possible with lava. It is. No.
No, Red, you won.
Don't tag me. Don't tag me. Don't tag me.
Bro, don't tag him. Tag him, Hannah.
No, bro, stop it, bro. I'm gonna get y'all banned. I'm gonna get all y'all banned. Don't mess with me, bro.
How?
Bro, I'm in the Discord, bro. Let me back up. Back up. I could get all y'all banned for 12 weeks.
No balls.
You're joking. I just made him fall.
Yeah, I'm getting you banned.
That was not accident.
Me.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
All right, guys.
Good.
Do you guys all want to stay small?
Thank you for banning.
Wait, let's
I
do
don't care.
hide and seek. Let's do hide and seek.
No. This.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't.
One more.
Hide and seek.
One.
We should.
No, this and then something else.
All right,
Yeah, let's do
hide and seek after this round.
Let's make it a challenge.
What?
Lava Monkey delete 2 things. Lava Monkey delete 2
Okay.
things.
Yes.
Challenge.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Oh yeah,
Two
and
things.
we're gonna do tiny hide and seek.
Know my routes. You know my routes.
No,
Wait. We actually.
the floor?
Yeah. I'm gonna do it.
The floor in the wall?
Yes.
That's easy. That's still super easy.
You talk.
I didn't know that. Yeah, you talk.
I just.
No.
Oh,
Hey, you can still
My
compete.
fault.
Sharkhead.
My
Sharkhead. You can still compete.
No.
My fault.
Go down there, Shockhead. Go down.
It
Go
wasn't
down
him, it
there.
wasn't me. You ran into him.
He's like, ah.
Your fault. You ran into him.
Only 2 people left. Soon.
Boy, you're. Sorry.
It's fine. It's fine. Hey, do we just start? Here, we can do. Do we want to do hide and seek with the small characters?
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Wait, no. Regular size.
No. Small characters. It makes it more fun. But we're only doing hide and seek in the dungeon. In the dungeon only.
Okay, alright, fine, let's go.
We need black. Black and white.
All right. Does anybody know how to stay small? I mean, I do. I just don't know the route.
I do.
I
All right,
Come on.
bet.
Come on.
know the route.
Wait, I can't get in.
You can. Just come on. Here, go back out.
Okay, come on, let's go.
There we go.
Here,
All right, follow Shark.
I'm the fastest. Really fast.
Oh crap. No. Go.
I died.
Go. We're trying here. They coming, bro. That's not fair. They cheated.
Shark, come on.
I'm coming.
They
He's coming. They're coming. The pink guy.
Wait, hold seeker's big? How about the seeker's big?
Oh wait.
Can I be the seeker?
You can't get me.
Hold on.
Go, 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 go. No. I died.
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. No. Guys, no. What the heck still? Wait, are we good? Are we
I'm
good?
going to house, y'all. Bye. Fuckers. Bro,
Hello, monkeys. Monkeys. Where'd you guys go?
Can you guys wait?
Hey, Sharkhead. Sharkhead. All right, everybody. I'll give you that boost.
Regular hide and seek.
And I'll no, let's just get small. Hey, one more attempt if we don't get small. All right, let's go. 3.
Actually, it is about to die in an hour. I don't know.
Where'd he go?
I can't get in. Sorry, White.
Go slow, go slow.
I'm at the
They're
place.
coming. No, they're coming.
Oh, crap. Go, 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 go.
Goofy. Hey, up here.
Go. Go.
Wait, are we good? Wait, come
Yes, we're good. I don't know where to go.
on. Oh, nope. Nope.
Guys, I don't know where to go.
I know where to go.
I don't know where I went. I'm up here. I'm over here. I'm over here.
Tell me where's the monster is. Tell me where the monster is.
Go back this way.
Here.
No, wait, no, go back.
Guys.
No,
Where's
these
the
are both
monster?
dead
Where's the
ends.
monster?
No, they're not. No, they're not.
Jim.
Go this way.
No, go. Stay
This
there.
way.
Stay there. Jim.
Where?
This way.
Jim.
No.
You. Monkey, what? Monkey.
Now to restart.
Blue's coming. Blue's coming your way. Hold on.
Hello.
We're coming.
Hello.
Oh, I just went back to the
I already
entrance.
know where to go.
Who the secret will
Are they coming?
Guys, yeah, I'm going.
be. You won't be Tagger. You will remain
Come on,
not
it's over here.
tiny. What are you doing?
I know.
Where's the coin again?
Go.
There's the coin. Okay. Leave. Oh, they're coming from that way, I think.
It's like 10 hours already, bro.
I just love babies, you know?
This way.
Where's the zombie, lads?
Right here?
This way. Come on.
Where's the zombie? Hey, why are you some...
Right here?
Please don't get
Oh,
me
keep
banned.
going.
It was on accident. I'm gonna go. Yeah, I'm gonna get banned.
No, you're not.
I was just joking, bro. I won't get you banned for that.
And then here.
Wait.
Here it is.
I
Right
won't
here.
get you banned, bro. I won't get you banned. I wasn't kidding.
How did you
Bro,
get
where's the zombie?
Come on.
Wait, I'm staying here. I'm staying. I'm staying.
One's that coming?
Come on, Blue. Let's go.
My Oculus?
Now's your chance. Run. This way.
My Oculus
Run.
is
How do we get them to come here?
it is about to die. We play something else.
One's coming.
One's coming?
Who's coming?
Wait, actually?
Yes.
Oh, yes. Yes. We're all saved.
Let's go! No! No!
That way.
I made it!
No, we
Okay.
want to die.
Yeah, I know we wanted
I
that.
know.
Come on, let's go down. Let's go down.
This way.
Wait, no way. Wait, where do I go?
This way. Run
Go in the
this
tunnel.
way. Run this way. Wow.
Dude. Hey, lava. Can you even see us?
Yeah, I guess.
Your nipple. Your nipples are enormous. They're like a bit.
I did it.
No.
Don't tag us.
Don't tag
This is actually cool. Wait. This is
I can't
actually so
see
cool.
You can't see me.
Oh, where'd he go? Stop. Wait. Where'd he go?
You don't even know where I am.
You are spewing a lot of the sparks.
Dude, you're like barely moving.
Party hat, can we play something else?
Yeah. Wait, hold on. Everybody get tagged so it resets.
No, stop.
Get him.
I can't tag you. There we go.
You won't let me. No.
What's over here?
Started.
What's over here?
Yeah, what's in here?
What's in the wind tunnel?
I'm gonna check.
Can you
Okay?
come
I'm
and
gonna check.
No, blue, blue, blue. Wait, blue, wait.
Tag me?
I'm coming, blue, blue.
No, I already went up. Oh, this is awesome.
Where did you
Oh,
go?
wait, this is cool. Come up.
I'm coming.
Blue.
This is so much.
Yeah, I'm coming, Blue. I'm right here. Jump up. It's cool.
What?
We're up here now. Hide and seek tracks now for real.
Yo, this is awesome.
This is game.
Huh?
Guys,
What?
You said this is gay? What?
No.
Oh, I'm
game.
in.
Guys,
Hi.
Oh, you're
everybody get
tagging me,
tagged.
buddy. No, you're not tagging me.
guys.
So I can be it because I want to be it. Tag me.
Don't ask me how to do it. I'm a little monkey, but I'm big.
Yo, hide and seek, hide and seek.
Quit.
Hide and seek, who's it?
Tag me.
My
Tag me.
Oculus.
Tag me.
Hey, green top hat. Can you see me?
There we go.
Wait,
Can we tag people so it's just so
Top hat,
until
top hat.
one of the-
top hat, look up.
What?
Either me or Top Hat is. Can we tag people until?
Wait, that's
so
actually
it's
so cool.
Somebody that's big.
I'm big, Daddy.
Can we tag
How you
people
blue little-
until one of the big guys or
We don't know how.
either me or?
I don't know how to turn big again.
Hey,
No,
you
just
guys can't
until-
get me. You guys can't get
Just
me.
until.
What up? I'm under here now. You can't get me. I can't get under here.
I'm
Yeah, I
going.
can.
Top hat, watch me. Push me in, push me in.
Where did?
No, flick me, flick me, flick me.
Hey,
Whoa!
Daddy. Hey, he's up there now.
Where
Flick me in.
person go?
Hi.
Hello.
Hey, can you flick me in?
Bro,
Red,
party hat.
can you give yourself up?
Party hat.
Because
me
Whoa!
in.
Shark cat, look above you! Ah! Shark cat, you
me in.
almost missed. Yeah, flick us, flick us.
Flick us.
I'll flick you, I'll flick you.
Hello. Hello.
Bye.
Hey, I'm up here. Red.
Yo, shark cat, shark cat, shark cat, shark cat, shark cat, jump down.
You're being mean to me. I'm kidding.
there we go.
Bro, don't make me like
I helped flick you. Oh, I'm
Hey,
it.
come on, here. I'll.
No. Tag everybody. Tag me.
All right, stand right here.
Tag him first.
Stand right here.
Jump on
Everybody
the
stand with
maze.
green monkey.
No.
Oh, you're gonna catch me? All right,
Yeah.
bet. Huh. Ah!
You can-
Whoa! That is
you
so
can
cool.
both of us.
Dude, that's actually like so cool. Dude, this is awesome. Ah, I'm back on the roof, guys.
You're not gonna catch me.
Wait, where'd Blue go? Where'd Blue Shark Head go?
Don't worry about it.
No, but where'd you actually go?
I'm over here. I'm right here.
Do you see me?
Yes.
No, you don't.
I do. I see you.
Guys, we're actually
You
so
might
small right now.
hear me right now. Bro, why'd you tag me? Just didn't tag me.
Because I wanted to be one of the giants, so one of the giants are it, and then
Hey, catch me. Can you catch me again? I'm right here.
I'll catch you. Where are you?
And
At
you
the corner
catch
of the
me too?
carpet.
Wait, hold on, wait. Can you wait for me?
Yeah, come here. We're right here. Look up, look up.
Guys,
Go back a little, go back a
behind
little.
you,
I'm right here.
on the pillow. Sofa.
No way. You can get in there?
I can
You
do
can
it.
get in the carpet sofa
I can get
thingy.
him. I know.
All right, Top Hat and
Okay, hey guys, come catch us.
yeah, guys, come catch us. We're at the corner of the maze. Hi.
Oh shoot.
No, you just passed us.
You
You
passed
just
back.
passed us.
Back. What are you doing? He's up there.
Oh.
Oh, hi. Can you catch us? Dude, this is awesome.
Yes.
Green.
Alright, guys, we can play hide and seek. You get big. Or how about there's two seekers? So
Shark,
can I
shark.
tag you?
Shark. I'll go down and catch you.
There we go.
Okay.
Alright.
Wait,
Hold on, just let me, here, stay in a certain spot. Right there.
Alright.
You want to stay by the light?
You guys hide.
Yeah.
All right, you stay by the light, and I'll go down and catch you.
Are gonna be seeking.
Ah!
You gonna catch me?
Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Hey,
catch you.
Catch me.
What the?
I'm
Oh no, I missed. You broke your
Hey,
neck.
I have a spot.
Turn around.
No. I have a spot. It's under the carpet.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, we're gonna be fast though, okay?
Yeah, come on.
Count to 30, guys.
Okay. Let's come.
That buys us a lot of time, right?
I know.
No, it isn't good enough. That's not good enough.
2,
It is.
3,
Oh, I could go so far. We could go far.
4, what? 5,
Why we go so far?
7.
Dude, this is awesome. This update is so
This is the
good.
max. This is the max.
11,
Hey,
12,
come here.
13, 14.
Just set your controllers down by your sides.
15. What? Left to go?
We should make this more exciting.
Hey, I'm sitting down. Be quiet.
Okay.
Wait, let's go on the couch.
17, 18, 19,
No, come back.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Wait, the carpet moves.
26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Ready or not, here I come.
No! You didn't get me!
Why can't
You didn't get me!
you guys?
He didn't get me! He didn't get me! Come on! It's not. You didn't even touch me.
Let's go up the rat hole.
Go! No,
I'm
come on!
touching you.
Come here! No, you weren't! Oh crap!
Get out of here, molester.
It's tag load.
Wait, why does his voice sound so deep? Tag him then.
Come here, down here.
No!
There we go.
Wait, Blue. No! Where'd he go?
Who's it? Huh?
No,
Oh,
don't
yeah,
tag me.
Cuphead had to...
I'm
I'm
going
not
to the
here.
couch.
Did this just change into... Wait. Oh yeah, you're a rock monkey now. You're rock...
No.
Tag me.
No. Only if you can touch me.
I've touched you like 50 times.
Wait, can you move the cushions?
No?
Hold on, let me get big and then I'll tag you. It'll be quick. It'll be quick. Come on, follow me. This is definitely super fast. It looks insanely fast down here.
You actually are going pretty fast.
I know for my size.
Wait, hold
This
on,
is-
get into the mouth.
Where? I'm in. I'm not in. Bro, this is like me in real life. I'm super small. I'm not a dwarf though. This only took about a minute.
How old are you? How
12.
old are you?
12.
You're older than me.
Really?
Yeah.
My voice is also super. Oh my god. Do you see the size of these stairs? Ugh.
No, you're supposed to go up these ones. You're supposed to go up these. You have to get out of the basement to get big again.
No, you just go in here and then you come back.
No, that's not how it works.
I've done it before. Oh.
We would have been halfway there if we would have been halfway there. No,
Really?
Yes, we would have already been halfway there.
Where are those monkey?
No, just come in and walk out.
I am. I'm right here. Wait, it's not working.
Oh, come on. Come. Just run up here. Funny run. Wait, hold on. How fast is this?
Oh my god. You're like the Flash. Dude, this is how fast tiny running is.
Hold on. My steps, my jumps are how big maps are for you. I can jump the whole stairs. Like what? Like that's a whole map for you.
Alright, so where do I go?
Up. Up here. Here, I have an easier way. Just go up here.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. And then once you get up here, go this way and then go up to here. Coming for you. Coming for you.
It's a megalodon.
This really is the size
Ow!
of them. I feel like this is what it was meant for. Keep going. Oh,
Yeah, this is definitely what it was
gonna
made
get
for.
you. What?
This is what it was made for.
Yeah. Gonna get you.
I made it.
Oh, it's right on your tail. You have to go out of the maze. It's gonna get you. It's funny because, like, it's in the ground and that
What?
looks...
See? You get bigger, and then you have to come out. And then, now, you can come back in without shrinking.
You just shrunk. You seem so small now.
Yeah,
Should we do it again?
no.
Here, do you want to get small? I'm not gonna ban you.
No, I
I'm
don't.
not gonna ban you.
Here, go through.
Where's the basement?
The basement, what? I don't think you can do that.
So it's right here. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, it's
No,
gotta
it's
be
right
right.
here. It's right here.
Oh yeah. All right, can you lead me there?
Yeah. All right, get in the maze.
And tell me if there's any monsters
No
coming.
way. How did you tag me? Alright,
Ugh!
this way.
I hear monsters.
Yeah, that's probably because it's right there. This way. This way. No, back. This way. On the torch!
Here, I'll just stay
When I
tagged.
see one, you have to run.
1, 2, back on my
smaller.
shoe.
You wait. Hold on. Come back. You seem
Here, I'll lead
small.
you to it.
No. You're not gonna. No, I could just walk. I could just go there. Just if you see any monsters close by, just tell me.
Oh, I was coming with you.
Oh.
We're good?
This way. Dude, no, frick!
No,
Fall down.
I can't.
No, let the monster get you.
Oh, I'm already there.
You're already at the thing?
Yeah, I'm kidding. Am I almost there?
No, you're not even close. You went the wrong way. This
I'm fine.
way. Okay, yeah, this way. Oh yeah, you can. You're back!
My
How's it
brother!
going?
No, this is
Okay,
the
no,
wrong
this
way.
No, this way.
I'm following your big finger.
Hey, don't call my finger big.
It is. It's
Average.
enormous.
To you. Back, pink, back, this way. No, not that way. Just keep going that way.
Oh, crap.
Just fall. Doesn't matter. Can we go into a different map?
Yeah, where do we want to go? Green, am I still small?
Why do you look so small?
Wait, hold on. Stand. Wait, stand here. Stand here. Why are you so small? You look way smaller. All right, let's just come.
Because I'm down here.
No, just come.
I know, I seem a lot smaller. Oh no! He's it. He go.